Hello everyone, my name's Paul and this how-to video is brought to you by Sapphire Alarms. Today we're going to be showing you how to attach a twist-on BNC connector onto some RG59 coaxial cable. There are a few types of BNC connector. There is a 3-part crimp-on connector, a 2-part crimp-on connector, and these twist-on connectors, which are much more convenient. They're far easier and quicker to do. So the reason you might want to do this is when you're installing your CCTV cameras, you really don't want to be passing this through a wall, and a pre-made cable would already have this attached to it. So all you really want to do is drill an hole big enough for the cable to pass through, and then you can attach the BNC connector onto the cable afterwards. This makes for a much neater installation. For this you really only need this one tool, this cable stripping tool. When set correctly, it will strip this cable to just the right dimensions for it to fit inside the BNC connector. Obviously this will do different sizes of cable, so you need to make sure that it's on the correct setting for the cable that you're using. Very easy to use. All we need to do is insert the cable into the connector. Inside there are 2 blades which are going to cut the cable in 2 different positions. Make sure the cable just aligns with the edge of the cutter. It's spring loaded, so it's always going to be pushing towards the cable. Now once you've got it attached, simply rotate it 360 degrees around the cable a couple of times. Make sure it's cut. You will feel it go quite loose as it goes through the cable. Once that's done, take it away, and as you can see there, the cable is cut in 2 positions. At the top, it will have cut straight through the sheathing, the outer conductor and the dielectric tube inside. The second cut will have only taken, or should have only taken, the sheathing away from the cable, like so. Now what we need to do is separate the inner conductor away from the central core wire. If these are touching, it won't make a proper connection at all. So we'll peel those back like so, pull them round to one side and give them a twist. As I say, we need to make sure that none of these very thin wires are touching the inner core. Once it's twisted, just wind it around like so, push it down a little bit, keep it nice and neat, and then it's time to go into the connector. Okay, if you look up inside the connector, you'll see a little hole where this central core needs to go. So quite easy, just push it inside there, feel it go inside, and what you need to do is push it over the outer sheathing and then twist it on clockwise. Okay, that connector's on there tightly now, so that's the job done. Thank you very much.